What's up, everybody? G Waters, aka Ghostman FPV here, back again with another video. And I don't know, I really didn't have much to talk about, so this will probably be short, but I did have some concerns. I wasn't actually going to talk about this, but I guess I'll weigh in on it a little bit. The DJI ban thing that's supposed to be going on. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty bad, you know, and for those of you that's maybe across the pond or another, you know, not in the U.S., that's a little summary of it. Basically, the U.S. government's trying to ban DJI drones, and I don't necessarily agree with it, but I mean, I don't know, it's like our government, and if you're not from the U.S., you know, hey, I'm jealous of you, and, you know, you don't have to, you're not even worried about this type of thing, at least not yet, but unfortunately, a lot of times where the U.S. goes, other countries follow, so I hope that's not the case for wherever you guys are. But basically, yeah, we're having this issue with DJI, and for some reason our government seems to think that they're spying on sensitive locations with the drones. I don't claim to know everything the government knows, but I do know a bit about technology, and I think that would probably be one of the most inefficient ways of doing that. Being as though we pretty much get all of our technology from China, pretty much all of our chips, you know, with the exception of a few. But for the most part, yeah, China supplies us with a lot of things, and they can definitely spy on us in a whole lot of other ways. So, you know, so I don't know if next they'll be trying to ban other things, I don't know. But from what I can tell, it's basically going to be a total ban on DJI from the way it's worded, being as though they're wording it, you know, it's an FCC thing, so a lot of products from DJI uses Wi-Fi and uses, you know, Bluetooth and that, you know, and different type of radio signals, so that can very well mean any camera that has Wi-Fi, pretty much anything. So I don't know, I mean, it's definitely going to be a problem for a lot of people. I know a lot of you probably don't even use DJI drones or products because it's, you know, most likely you're FPV if you're into watching this channel, but I mean, I actually use DJI drones for my business. So, yeah, don't come out here, guy. So, I mean, it would be a definite hit for me, you know, so, and, you know, it's a worry, you know, and that could act, you know, by banning DJI, that could affect a lot of people's businesses, you know, and a lot of people's income. So, I don't know what they plan on doing to combat this situation. I really don't know. I hope it's not, you know, it doesn't get this bad, but, you know, our government in the U.S. are you know, it's the worst. Like, it's just a bunch of political posturing and, you know, and a bunch of people that, you know, they're, I guess, trying to play to certain bases and certain, you know, certain people in politics or whatever. So, and unfortunately, we all suffer from their fighting, you know, in Congress and in the White House and in the Supreme Court or wherever, and it's looking pretty bad. I wouldn't think that it would pass only but for the fact that they buried it in a defense bill. And if you know anything about the U.S., we spend more on military and weaponry than probably the next 9 to 10 other countries combined, you know. So all you have to do is put it in a defense bill, quote unquote, and all of a sudden it's you know, it's this majorly important thing. And so I think the ban on DJI is I think it's something that they don't necessarily care about. You know, when I say they, I mean our government. You know, so I don't think anyone would think to look into it any further. We have the politician that's actually introducing the bill. It's looking like she has some type of ties to American drone manufacturers like Skydio. So I don't know, you know, I'm not a conspiracy theorist, but it's not unlikely that, you know, it's not it wouldn't be the first time our government, you know, basically sold us out for a corporation. That tends to be the norm here. So so I don't know. I mean, it's looking pretty bad right now. So I mean, we've all sent letters and everything to our Congress people as if they read those and listen to us, but hey, it's all we have right now. So I don't know, but that's pretty much all I had to really talk about on that. I'm just getting back from flying. You know, I've been on my you know, I've been flying a little bit. Went to a park not too far from my home, so I'm actually just on the way back, and hopefully my wife will have some dinner ready for me. I'll get there as I'm pretty hungry. So, but anyway, guys, you know, just let me know. You know, let me know what you think about it in the comments, or if you have any, you know, any other knowledge on what's going on. You know, 'cause I don't necessarily know, but you know, I don't necessarily know the whole particulars on it, but all I know is it's just you know, we got a strange situation going on. So, and I'm pretty sure that it just has a lot to do with a bunch of political crap nonsense that, you know, we have to deal with here in the U.S. And, you know, and it's been, you know, going on probably for the last 15 to 20 years. You know, we've been, you know, our politics has just been ridiculous, and you know, we have the biggest idiots running this place right now, and probably has been for a while. You know, these people are not, they're not, they know nothing about technology. They know nothing about the world around them as it sits today. Now, we have people that's, you know, pretty 1,000 years old, trying to legislate things that they don't understand. And now we have people coming into Congress and making decisions. The Supreme Court, that's, I mean, let's face it, these people are morons. So, I mean, they shouldn't be anywhere near a taco stand, much less the Supreme Court. So, you know, I don't understand. You know, we have a lot of weird laws and rules and things here, so, you know, a lot of loopholes for a lot of powerful people to get around and everything, you know, while the rest of us suffer, basically. So, but anyway, I'm gonna take it in, and like always, everybody be safe out there. You know, let me know what you think about this subject, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.